Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see the trim method in Java programming. So what does this trim method actually means? So it helps you to remove the spaces that would be before and that would be after. Okay, so it would help you to remove the spaces from the string. Let's create a public class here quickly, and you can just go with public static void main, and here let's say I have a string, let's say S, which is holding the spaces. Okay, one space, and I can say hello world, right? And again it has the space, and which has got the semicolon. Okay, so you can just do one thing here. After this, just go with system.out. We need to give, okay, just for better experience of for user, let's give the clarity here. Like I can just type out here, before trim I have the string as, let's say, okay, so before trim I have the string as, okay, let's move to the next. Now I can just type out here string that is gonna be trimmed. And how we can just use that, we have the trim function. Let's just simply try to use the trimmed variable and use the let's just type out something here, trimmed let's just create it properly. Okay, so this is how we receive. You can see that after trim we have just been removed out our spaces and you just got the response, right? This is how you're going to use out your trim method, and you can just try to remove the spaces before and after from the string. Thank you so much.